Hello guys, nandito na naman tayo sa ano,
Ben, I don't want it.
sa Costco guys. So yan ang Costco dito sa Summerland. So punta tayo doon. So nakakuha na tayo sa shopping cart natin. So yan, punta tayo kung ano ang makuha natin dito. Ayan. Yan. Yan. Tingnan ninyo yung TV guys, oh. Ang laki ng TV, pero napakamura lang. 1,340 ang TV nila ngayon. Napakalaking TV. So punta tayo sa snack aisle. We're going to snack aisle. So yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, look at the line.
Wow.
What's going on?
Look at the line.
Oh my God.
Holy mackerel.
What's going on? They have a big sale?
Well, Mama.
Huh? Let's go to the plants. O, diba? Tingnan ninyo yung plants. What? Para tayong nasa jungle, guys. Oh, diba? Napaka-green. Para tayong nasa jungle. Oh, $23. Ay, ang ganda itong orchids. Mura lang. $15. Ganda siya. Oh. Tingnan natin nasaan na si Habi kasi punta tayo doon sa... Oh. It's going for the cream. Punta tayo doon. It's so full traffic. Saan na siya?
So we went to Bob Taylor.
Whisper. What you got? It's the same?
For my skin.
Okay, so maybe they have a spray here, hon.
Let's take a look.
Every night, retinol. You like the other one? Let's go.
Nothing here. Let's find my snacks.
Punta tayo dito sa kabila. Hayaan natin si Mr. maghanap ng niya, snack doon kasi nakuha na niya ang niya. Nakakuha na siya na cream niya. Maghanap tayo ng water resistant wala silang spray dito, face spray. So tingin tayo sa mga chocolate. Maganda ang chocolate, diba? Oh, tingnan ninyo, oh. Macadamia. Sarap itong macadamia. $14. So yan. Strawberry. Ito, M&M's. Malaki. So, ayan. So, maganda, masarap ito. Kuha tayo ito. Ito ang favorite ko. At saka ni Mr. Favorite ito na.
Like that one?
You are here.
Yeah,
I'm talking about you.
I got my.
I said, this is my favorite and
I got
my
this
Mr.
This is my favorite.
My
That's
husband.
my favorite.
And
That's
that
my
is snack.
Very good.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's
So, ayan. It's skinny dip. They don't have peanut butter cluster, Daddy.
No, they don't.
Oh, we're gonna get one this for my,
Box.
yeah, balikbayan box. This one, guys. Ayan.
Okay.
So, tingnan ninyo ang price. $21.99. Pinakita ko sa inyo, guys, para pabayaran ko sa inyo. Joke. Sabi ko, pinapakita ko sa kanila, Daddy. Oh, I'm talking Tagalog to my husband now. I said that I show them the price so that I will let them to pay me back. So, yeah. Tingnan ninyo, guys. O, diba?
Well, I think that.
Dami. Maano ka, marami pa naman tayong coffee cream at saka coffee sa house. So, konti lang ang natin dito. Kailangan para sa balikbayan box. Kasi marami na akong stock sa bahay. So, yan. Pero tingin-tingin pa din ako kung ano ang Daddy, here. The Starbucks, son. Tingin-tingin pa din ako kung ano ang... Oh, this is the one I want. Maple syrup. I want this one. There's a coffee mate right there, oh. And then, mayroon tayong Nutella. Nutella, oh. Oh, diba? Ay. This is the one 4 hours. We need that one. Because we're gonna eat. This is the one. I need one. That one. Okay. I'm
The
done.
water.
Yeah. That's good, Daddy. The proppy over there at the back, behind. That's the one I want, the maple syrup. Syrup.
Okay.
There's a proppy over there, the other side.
Okay. This side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diba? Here. Tingnan ninyong coffee, guys. Ang daming coffee. So, konti lang ang natin. Kasi, konti lang ang natin ngayon. Oh, you know what? The chocolate, we do have a lot of chocolate.
That's plenty of chocolate.
Yeah. Where is the frappe? Right here. Frappuccino.
That's the one you want?
Yeah, this one. Can you get this one, honey? This one?
That one right there?
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the water. And can we look at the detergent?
Yep. Going right by there.
Yeah. Detergent. So, that's what we have. This one, guys, is a freezer now. That one side. We don't need anything out from there. This one, guys, oh, tingnan ninyo. Dog food. Oh, diba? Dog food, turkey, sweet potato. Did you get your snack, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Where's this right here? Oh, you want liquid? You want dishwashing liquid?
No, this one here.
Okay.
But I want that is stronger.
Got enough power drinks too for a while, huh?
Like Tide. That right here, Tide. The price that is the same in Walmart.
It's the same, huh?
It's $20.
Either place.
How about this one, hon?
No, no punch.
No, because the one for my
Oh, yeah, for that sort of stuff might be
balikbayan box.
Yeah, just use the cheap. Yeah, that's fine. It's probably fine. You want to try one of those? They come in a 2-pack. No, they don't. You buy them separate. Oh,
This one is 2-pack.
2-pack. These are 2-packs.
Oh, that's so cheap.
You want to get that one?
Touch stain fighting in every drop. Wow. Free clear.
It's gentle on skin.
This?
Yeah, but you're not using it by hand, so it doesn't matter. Probably better off with this one.
Okay. How about this one? Oh, this one is a two for $25. This is good. How about just only one?
Can't
Can
buy,
we buy one?
Can't buy. We have to buy the pair.
Oh boy, $25. No, I think it's only one, Daddy, for 25. No, it's only for 21. One only.
Only one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. You are right. No, but you get 2 in a pack.
How do you know?
If it says 152 loads, and it's a pack.
I want just this one because it's only a cheaper.
No, you get, for $24, you get 2 of them.
How about this one? It's not for
So it's only
two?
one of them. Well, it's a lot bigger. Yeah, just get the one.
How about the gain, hon? I like the gain.
What's the game?
The smell, the gain is very good. This one.
Look at the game.
It's only one?
2-pack.
Two?
Yeah.
Right there on the top. Right there.
There we go.
It's a lot of detergent.
Look it down below.
Are you sure it's a 2-pack?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you want.
It's a 2-pack because it says 159 loads.
Uh-huh.
So it's 2-pack.
Okay, go.
Does it fit here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
I want noodles.
Water.
Yeah.
Ah, look at the dog.
Oh,
He's so cute.
that's so cute.
Buddy.
So, nandito tayo sa water area, guys. Kuha tayo ng water kasi 1 pack na lang na 1 or just 1. Just 2 for now.
You can come back anytime.
Yeah. We're close to Costco, so we're gonna go to the bread. Yeah, food.
Might grab some eggs.
The bakery, yeah. And fruits, I wanna look at the avocado. Kimchi, cucumber, huh?
Threw that one away when you bought it.
I know, it stink.
Okay, I'm gonna park this over here. Let's go in here. Let's just go inside. Go with me. Woo, it's cold in here. Grab some eggs.
How about milk,
No, we're good. I don't want to buy 2 gallons.
butter? How about this one here, this side?
The same thing. Same thing.
Okay.
This looks fine.
It's a lot of eggs, guys. We're not short eggs this time. Look at that. Lots of eggs. So, ayan.
No, no.
Punta tayo dito. That's a hobby like this. You like that one?
That's okay.
Yum yum. Sarap yan, guys. Oh. Sarap. Yan ang sarap. $14.62. $14.62. That's not bad. O, diba? Meron silang green salad dito, oh. Sarap. Shrimp. Shrimp doon. Tingnan natin ang ano nila. Oh. Ang sarap ito, oh. Fish. Sarap ng fish. Ito naman, dessert. Mayroon silang ano to, ansumada, garlic parmesan. I don't like that. It looks yummy though. Wow. Marami silang bagong fruits. Tingin tayo doon. Ang sarap ng ano, oh. Beef. Kuha tayo ito mamaya. Kasi wala akong dalang cart. Nandoon kay Kabi. So, kuha tayo ito. That's not bad. Very good meat. So, yan. Kuha tayo ng avocado. Sarap ang avocado nila. So, yan. O, diba? Sarap ito, guys. Ay, hindi namin ito nagustuhan ni Habi. Ayaw niya ito. Iwan ko ba bakit ano? Kasi hindi ako masyado kumakain ganyan. Nasaan na kaya siya? Ito, oh. Mayroon naman akong ano ito. Kaya lang, ano to? Butter. Butter pound. Sarap ito. Nasaan na ba si Habi, oy? Ay, nandoon sa fruits. Butter pound. Kuha tayo ito. Kasi sarap ito. Butter. Lahat ito dessert dito. Ay, yung, ano ba? Nasaan na ba siya, oy?
Good, good, mommy. What about you? Good, good, mommy. Yes.
There's tangerine over there, Daddy. Oh, it look good. Oh, look at the cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe?
Yeah.
Probably not good.
They have we're gonna get the orange. They have mango, Han. It looks good, the mango. Yeah. Look, the mango. So how's the other one is crunchy? Is it crunchy over there?
The crunchy ones are over there, yeah.
It's not crunchy anymore, guys. Oh, tingnan ninyo. Pero hindi na siya crunchy. Pineapple, tingnan ninyo, pineapple.
Ooh, this one was $3. It's really good.
You wanna get it?
Yeah, I'm
One?
gonna get one, yeah.
Okay.
If you'll cut it for me. But if you don't want that one.
There's one. It looks good. Kuha tayo ng isa kasi gusto ni Habi. Basta lilinisin daw natin kasi ganyan sila eh. Ayaw nila kumain ng fish kasi matinik. Gusto nila pagkain-kain talaga. Pag ayaw nila na mag-work pa sila. So ganyan talaga sila. So yan. O, diba? Okay, let's go here. Did you get banana?
Yeah.
Ay, ito ang ano ko, favorite ko. Kuha ako ng isang bag ito. Kasi gusto ko ito. Ito ang favorite. Ah? Yeah, this is my favorite. Remember? Tingnan natin. Okay. Okay lang ito. Oh. Yeah.
Got 'em?
Yeah. And how about this? Yeah. Oh yeah, it is good. Oh, it's soft. Yeah, fresh. It just harvest. They just harvest.
Right on. Okay. Yeah,
Sorry.
good.
Okay, avocado and I'm done.
Yeah, no, we're out of here.
Yeah. I got the pound cake. Puno ng cart natin, guys. Madali ang mapuno ang cart natin dito kasi bulk. Oh, di ba? Ang collecting wine, guys. Tingin tayo ng avocado. Ay, naku, ang mahal. $10. $10 ang avocado. Mahal naman ito. Mahal talaga ang avocado na ngayon, guys. Ewan ko lang. Ewan ko lang dyan sa Pilipinas. Walmart na lang tayo bili, guys. Oy. Kasi marami. Hindi ko yun mabili. Makain lahat. Tingnan ninyo, guys. Tingnan. Lahat. Chicken feet. Oh. Mayroong chicken feet din dito. Ha. Okay, fresh na sushi. Diba? Fresh na sushi. Tingnan natin. Bakit ano? Okay. Nasaan na si Habi? Ano yan eh? Nasaan na kaya yun? Saan, ano na kayang kinukuha niya? Hanapin natin siya. Nandito na tayo sa apparel department. Ano to? Nahanap ko yung mga leggings ko. Hindi ko na siya mahanap. Ay, nandoon oh. Nandoon na siya. Walang extra small. Hanap tayo ng extra small. Kaya lang wala na. Wala ding leggings. Nahanap kong leggings. Ano na, pina-pull out ko na ang mga summer at saka wala pa silang mga pajamas. Pino-pull out ko na ang mga ko pang summer na mga damit namin at saka spring na mga damit. Pang bata guys oh. Diba? Na mga ay yan. Ito ang pajamas nila. Hindi marami, konti lang ang pajama nila. Hindi ko nagustuhan ang materials nila. So ayan. Si Abby oh. Nag-aantay sa atin. Kuha tayo ng flowers. Daddy, let's get the flowers. So, ayan. Yeah. Right here. Oh, the yellow.
Which ones you want?
This one.
Have the plastic bags? The plastic bags. Oh, they're on the end. They're right there. What do you want?
This one.
This one here?
This one, yeah. Two of them.
Yeah.
One. Yeah. And two. All they have a medicine. Remember before we individual? Put that one.
Individually, yeah, here. Get that bag. We'll put it together anyway.
So, kuha tayo ng flowers, guys, para sa altar natin, Mama Mary,
They both
Papa
have
Jesus. They have one, yeah.
Okay, both do. Good.
Yeah. And yeah.
Now they're gonna roll off.
Just put in there, oh. Right there.
Maybe?
Yeah. There you go. You're good.
But
Ganun, no? Flowers. Kasi nakabili tayo sa TG Maxx ng flower base. So, kasi ang flower base ko, yung una, nilagay, namin, dinodonate ko. So, ngayon, naman. Nakabili tayo ng bago, so bili tayo ng flowers. So yan, malapit na tayo sa cashier, guys. Ito ang cashier nila dito. Di ba? Napaka-busy. Ang nila, line. Kanina long line. So, sinauli ko ang isang bag na chocolate kasi marami pa tayong chocolate sa bahay para sa balikbayan box. So, yan ang una natin gagamitin bago tayo bili ng bagong chocolate. So, yan. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video, guys. Thank you. Hi everyone. Thank you guys. Bye for now.